As you can see, my dome over my shower is broken, so I need to replace it. And I got a new one right here, and I brought some tools up to the roof. I've opened up this all the way. In order to remove this frame, there's 4 bolts, one right there on the just towards the ends, and there it's hard to see, and there's another one right there. And then this button right here I've already removed, and it's this right here, and I already pushed it out, and it holds the button on right there, so it's been removed. The other bolt that you have to remove is you got to remove this handle, and there's a screw right here, and you take it off this way. To take this screen off, there's 2 small screws, a Phillips head screw. Goes one there, and then there's, you see that, one right here. So I'll remove those 2 screws and remove the screen. In order to remove the old dome here, I have to take these 2 screws off of the lifting mechanism, and the lifting mechanism will come out, and I can take it, detach it from here. Okay, the screws are out, and you can see it came off right there. There we go. So now that is loose, and I can now slide this dome. I'll go outside and slide this dome off. And I'm going to go to the back here and remove the hinge part and here, and it just folds over. So over here I'm going to have to bend it back to slide this out, and then I'm going to slide this one, the new one, in. I could slide this out. Oh, it's already off. You're supposed to lock it in, actually, on one side or both sides of that little notch and that notch right there. They didn't put it on properly. I don't know if it matters, but when I put it on, I'll bend those down, and it just slides off. And then put the new one on. Pretty simple. And what I'm going to do is get a screwdriver, gotta bend these tabs out. You can almost do it with your finger. Yeah. Now it's locked into place. It's not gonna come out. Okay. Then we're gonna, from below, we're gonna get this thing up. Okay, back inside. I've got that attached to the bracket there, and I'm going to put the screws in, and we'll put back the screen and then the frame. Putting the last screw on here, and I shot some little bit of oil right here. I like to put oil on the screws here, there, and here, and inside the mechanism here, and a little bit along here. A little bit of oil. Okay, we'll reattach the screen, and I'm just tightening up this last screw over here. Just 2 screws. One over here. And one over here. Just 2 screws, that's all it requires. Okay. Next, I'm going to reattach the handle. And there's a screw right here that goes on it from the top, and fish that back down. And I'll screw the switch for the fan onto the screen. I fished the switch threads through the screen, and now I'm going to attach it to the screen with this plastic nut. Thread it on, hand tighten it, just make sure the fan works. So I've got the 4 screws in. I got it most of the way in with the electric driver here. 1, 2, 3, and it's hard to see, but 4 is right there. And so I don't, because I don't want to strip them, I'm gonna hand tighten them. Get them most of the way in, then I'll hand tighten them. And that's it.